You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly in English. There's going to be pretty much, one way of saying it, maybe one that is just a tiny bit different. So let's hear it so you'll understand what I mean. Hayden is the English pronunciation, okay, British English in particular. Hayden. Now, sometimes, especially in the US, it may be pronounced as Hayden. So, Hayden or Hayden. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.